everyone, Melissa here, back with another video. Of course my headphones are on. I live in these. Okay, anyway, I recently went to Industrial City with my friends and I did some shopping, and so this is like the end or beginning of this vlog, I'm not sure, probably the end. And I want to kind of show you guys what I got because I didn't record anything that I was buying. I just kind of recorded b-roll, and so I bought a huge bag of stuff. Industrial City is horrible for my wallet. Anytime I go, I end up spending copious amounts of money. Is copious the right word? Don't know. But yeah, let's kind of go through all of these, and then I'll highlight a few pieces for you all. So let's look at music-based things first. So I got 3 vinyls. I will do a whole like vinyl unboxing on my main channel, but I just want to highlight the 3 that I got here because I've been buying more vinyls, and so that's what I'm trying to do. Like on my main channel I do music reactions and things like that, so all of these unboxings will be on the main channel. But I got this Tina Turner album because I think my father would really like it. Currently my vinyl player is in Florida. I might tell my parents I'm taking my vinyl player and all my vinyls, but and maybe for Christmas get them a vinyl player as like a trade-off. But first and foremost, I got this Tina Turner vinyl because I think it's just iconic. I think this is the one that has kind of like her most iconic era, and so I really particularly chose this one because of my father, and I think he'd really like it, and it was $7. That's a steal. Next that I got is, oh, I actually got 4 vinyls. Okay. This next thing I got is mostly thinking about my mom, so I got a Frank Sinatra vinyl because my mom, she really loves Frank Sinatra. She really just loves like instrumental music, but it's interesting because she loves instrumental music, but then she also loves like any super upbeat dancey music. So this is kind of like one of her 2 genres that she listens to. So I thought Frank Sinatra would be a really good one, and this one was only $5. I will say Hi-Fi Records in Industrial City is actually really good for vinyl. My full vinyl haul is also gonna have some from there as well. Okay, this one was for me, and I got The Sound of Musical. This is the original Broadway version, and this was only $2, and it was in their $1 to $2 bin, and no one picked this up, but I really love musicals. I'm a big musical person, I'm a big movie person, so I usually buy a lot of like soundtracks and musicals for my vinyl player, my record player. And so I also got a Sound of Music one because I thought that would be very fitting for me. This last one is probably the most exciting thing for me ever, and I got a Walt Disney Favorites one, and this is like all the original Disney princess music. So like Someday My Prince Will Come. It has like a lot of like the Snow White originals particularly highlighted, and I'm really excited about this one in particular. I was a big Disney kid growing up. This was also $7. Again, another really good steal. I think last time I went there I got the Grease vinyl, so definitely if you're in Industrial City and you have time to really like look through a lot of the vinyls, I think you'll find some really good gems there. This is only me looking at maybe like half, like in depth looking at maybe half of their collection and finding out some really good pieces. But yeah, so a more in-depth look at these will be on the main channel in maybe a few weeks, maybe a month or so, just because my current player's in Florida with a lot of my collection, and so I can't really like do them one for one. Okay, next I got 2 books, and these were kind of like the date books where it's like, you know, like a date with a book thing where it's like you choose based off of like a paper sleeve. And I got these at it was a bookstore. I forgot the name of the bookstore. If I remember it, I'll like type it and put it up here. But basically I got these 2 books, and one is Bridgerton-esque Regency era romance, and I was like, ooh, that sounds really fun. And then the other one was the forbidden romance between a vampire and a werewolf because Twilight. And so the Regency-esque book is actually called To Love and to Loathe by Martha Walters. And based on this, me and my friends, because me and my friend Sarah, we both got a book. Well, I got 2, she got 1. And we think it's going to be really cute because we're going to do like think of like a traveling book club. So basically I'll read a book for 1 month and then I'll send it to her and then she'll read it and I'll read the book that she has. And like I have a whole big book collection here and in Florida. My Florida book collection is way huge. My book collection here is like 20 books, so kind of small. But essentially we're gonna be doing like a traveling book club. And then this is the werewolf one, which is the one I'm really excited to read, which is called Bride. This looks so cool. This is probably the one I'm going to read first because I really want to read this, but I know Sarah really wants to read this one, so I don't know if I should do my swap read first or I should do my personal like intrigue read first. I guess we'll find out, because I might do book reviews. Okay, other things that I bought that you might think are dumb that I don't think are dumb. I got sponges, because why are sponges in the city like $5 to $20, and this pack of 5 was $2. It was $2 in Industrial City. I don't understand. But this is a really good deal. But my house is currently really stocked with sponges, so I don't know why I preemptively bought them. I guess it never hurts to be prepared. Okay, and then I just got, someone gave like, because of the tote bags, you get them at the Hi-Fi book shop is where I got my tote, and this is like the person who made it, Gigi something, highlight, shout out. And then, okay, last 2 things in here. Oh, actually, never mind, there's other things. Okay, and then I also got these 2 sets of chopsticks that I think would be really cute. I've been practicing eating with chopsticks more often, and I'm actually getting really good at them, so I got 2 different lengths of them, because I just thought these 2 designs were the cutest designs in the store. And I got these at Daiso. Same with the sponges. The sponges are from Daiso. Vinyls are from Hi-Fi. I think the books are from Strand bookstore. And then these are also from Daiso. Okay, the last thing I got was from the bookstore at the Industrial City. That's name is escaping me right now, and I've actually actively been using it. I think that the recipes on it are not the best. They're not very tasty, but this was only, not this one. Oh, this is one from Amazon though. This one I haven't tried out yet, so I will try it and give you guys my review. I think I lost it. I got like a eating healthy, living healthy cookbook. Okay, I found it. Here it is. So this is the Complete Healthy Eating Cookbook, because I'm currently trying to do like, not really like keto, but I'm doing like more low carb, low sugar. And so I thought looking at keto books is like a good way of finding low carb, low sugar recipes that are like fitting what I want, but I also don't have to follow it as strictly as someone who is on a keto diet. And so I found this book at one of the bookstores. Name is escaping me, at Industrial City, and it was on sale for $3, as you can see here. And so I was like, you know what, I'll buy it. Subtle review after cooking about 5-6 recipes from it. It's not that great of a cookbook, and I understand now why it was $3. But it's just kind of like a lot of the recipes are really bland. There's not anything super creative in there. But you know, I'm gonna keep using it for a few more weeks. There are some kitchen nightmare videos from it. I think I'll be releasing one. I recorded 2, and one of the 2 I was like, this is too embarrassing, I can't do it. So yeah. And last thing, this is not from Industrial City, but it is something that I got during that week and I thought it was really cute, so I would like to share with the class. This is from the Disney store in Times Square, and if you can't tell already what it is based on all this wrapping, it's this really cute mug. Oh, it's like subtle Disney adult, even though I'm not a Disney adult, and it was on sale. I know on sale for $20 isn't for $13 isn't a lot for Disney, but look, I couldn't not get it. I think I can break this immediately? Yes. So this will be decor, because I don't want to break it because it's really cute. And it has like the little chipmunk on the side. And so yeah, that's what I got from the Disney store, and I'm in love with it. I'm going to find a nice place to display it, because I really don't want to break it, because I really do like it. Okay, and some bonus things. I also got some bonus things. I recently went to the ONEUS concert last week, and when I went to the ONEUS concert, I never really show merch, but they're one of the few groups that has really good merch. I think the groups I've seen in K-pop that have really, really like innovative, interesting merch so far has been ONEUS, and there's another group that did really good merch. Ooh. And it was like a smaller group. I don't remember. If I do, I'll put it up here, because me and my friend, we were talking about it, because I usually go with one of my friends to every K-pop concert, and me and her were talking about how groups don't do really innovative merch, but this was really innovative. So they did mini 5th anniversary plushies, and so if the light would not shine so bright, here it is, look at it. So on the back, it just says like 5th anniversary, hello USS, and it's like a little keychain stuffed toy. And then in the back, there's like a little photo card bonus. And then I also got a signed album because I am a fiend and I'm willing to pay $40 for a signed album. Yes, this was a good investment. My mother wouldn't think so. This is it. And I got it signed by Sihyo, I think, because he is just like, I feel like he was struggling with the wig that he had to wear for the tour, because a lot of fans want to see him in the wig. Literally, me and my friend at the tour were like, why would they do this to this man? Why would they put him in this wig just because the fans wanted it? We did not want it. Me and my friend at least. But basically, I got this signed by Sihyo, and she got hers signed by Zion, I think. And so, is it Zion? I don't really know the pronunciation of ONEUS members. I listen to a lot of ONEUS, but the pronunciations, don't ask me. But yeah, so super excited. This will be unboxed on the main channel when I do my next album unboxing, because I've been buying a few albums. I won't tell you what they are. You'll have to check out the main channel when it is uploaded. But yeah, as you can see, I've been spending too much money for someone who should be saving money, because I'm supposed to be moving into a new apartment in June, and I'm supposed to in May start cleaning all of this up, and so that's gonna be sad and long and tiring. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this little like haul, and I will see you all in the next video.